Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, would be sharing with you the career guidance and would be continuing with one of the question that we have got from the candidate. So what we are doing over here is we are trying to assist the people who are looking for the career guidance because there are many folks out there who don't know what needs to be done next. Okay, so this is one of the question from the candidate. So I graduated in 2020 and spent the last 2 years getting non-IT experience. However, I decided to transition into IT and focused on learning software testing. I've completed several courses on Udemy and applied to many job opportunities, but I'm yet to land a role. I'm actively looking for ways to improve my skills and broaden my job search. I would appreciate if any advice or tips that could help me in this transition. Now, this kind of query many of you might be having because many of the people what they are doing is they are doing the courses and they feel they will get the job. But if you are doing any course, so one of the aspect that you should know when you are doing any courses is that you should learn the practical things. For example, in a course, if you read about uh, BDD Cucumber, okay, but if you haven't implemented it, if you haven't practically done it, then it's of no use, right? Because in an interviews, they will be asking you related to the hands-on things, related to the things which are important from the practical perspective. Just the theoretical knowledge will not assist you, right? So this is about the courses. So whenever you are doing courses, you have to take care of this point. Then those are practical courses. It should not be something that you are moving from one screen to another screen. You're just moving next in a video and you complete it. That's not the purpose of doing the course. Someone who has graduated in 2020, so it has been 5 years, right? Last 2 years, if you have spent in non-IT, what you can do is you can do some testing related certifications, right? Or these days, cloud related things are in demand, right? So you can do some cloud related certifications. This will assist you in two ways. Either it will open you a door for having a DevOps kind of roles, jobs, or it will also assist you in your automation as well, right? Another thing is learning software testing. So what exactly you have learned? Maybe you would have learned about functional testing, manual testing. So these days, in most of the companies, they are looking for automation, right? Either you should know automation with Java or with Python as a programming language, right? So that is very important. Selenium is one of the tool. It's an open source tool which you can learn. So just don't learn the concepts of software testing like STLC, SDLC. That time is gone. Now people are looking for automation, right? Try introducing some AI things. Try using AI things in your job opportunities, in your jobs as well, right? For your day-to-day work, right? Now, applying to many job opportunities, right? So someone who has applied to many job opportunities, but I'm yet to land a role. That means you have to make your resume ATS friendly. So I'll share the link of one of the resume template in which we have tried our best to have an ATS friendly resume template, and we have also included some of the projects. So projects are important. If you don't include the projects in your resume, then it would be an issue. So this is a link which I was referring to. Right. It's taking some time. No. So you can refer this particular template with the projects that would assist you a lot in creating an ATS friendly resume. That is very important. If you don't create an ATS friendly resume, then your resume might not be getting shortlisted. So you can go to the TopMate link and you can avail this product to do itself. It has the list of projects which you can include. So there is a one resume template itself which has been created, including the list of projects, and you will get it over here, right? And there are many people who have got the jobs, who have got the calls, interviews being scheduled because of this, right? So you can definitely use this particular template, right? So these are few of the tips and tricks that we would suggest from our side, right? one of the aspect is you have moved to non-ID, so do certification, you have completed courses, but do some project work, include the automation, upload it into your Git profile. You can create one Git of account of yours and update your Git with your recent work done. Because why I'm telling recent work? Because that would be fresh in your mind. You would be able to explain in an interview. But if you don't update your Git with a recent work, then you have to recall what did you do in your earlier projects. That becomes very cumbersome. That becomes very difficult, right? It's not easy to recall everything. So update your recent projects, because you'll be getting most of the questions with respect to recent projects only, right? So that's what you have to do. So uh, non-IT to IT can be done with the skill set, with the certification. And if you're not getting a role, try ATS friendly resume template. To improve your skills, I would say go for practical things, right? Broaden the job search. I would say use LinkedIn as one of the portal, right? LinkedIn is very important. From LinkedIn, you would get to know about you'll get many referrals. Many people are coming forward to refer you. So those things you'll get from the LinkedIn. So avail that particular portal. It's a very good portal wherein you can get a lot of support, a lot of assistance, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.